Adventurous kids explore with education and learning what a wildlife is in the Everglades. I want to explore the Museum of Discovery Science. What plants do butterflies like? I want to know about Key West. Adventurous kids, learning and fun. Adventurous kids!
Today, I'm going to be telling you about water bottles and bottled water. A water bottle is a container that is used to hold water. See, this is mine right here. I keep my water in this. This keeps my water warm for several hours and also keeps it cold for several hours as well. It's very useful. I can take it anywhere I go. Liquids or other beverages for drinking. Using a water bottle allows people to transport and drink a beverage from one place to another. Water bottles can be either disposable or reusable. Some water bottles are reusable and can help save the environment by reducing waste. Nathaniel Wyeth A. DuPont, engineer, is widely credited with inventing the plastic water bottle. In 1973, Wyeth's PET bottles were the first plastic bottles to withstand carbonated drinks pressure. They were also cheaper and more durable than glass bottles and could be produced in many shapes and sizes. Which these are metal. The ones that I use are metal, unlike the ones that they use for the plastic and, recyclables. These can take everywhere. Same with the water bottles that are plastic and recyclable. These you can just drink out of, wash again, and then poof. It's like carrying a recyclable water bottle, except you don't need to throw it away. You could just keep filling it. Today, PET plastic is the preferred material for single-serving bottled water containers because it's lightweight and it's resistant to breaking. Kind of like how this metal one is resistant to breaking. I've dropped this thing so many times it hasn't broke yet. And I've had other water bottles that when I put them in the refrigerator or in the in the freezer, they cracked and broke because I filled them with water and I wanted to get them cold for the next day. I opened my fridge and one of them just went crack. Bottled water packaging is using lighter weight plastics and pure natural resources. Many bottled water producers have reduced the plastic container weight for water bottles by an average of 27%, maybe even more. The energy we waste using bottled water would be enough to power 190,000 homes. Wow! Dang, boy! That's a lot of homes. The first documented case of selling bottled water was in Boston in the 1760s. That's a long time ago. Australians spend more than $500 million a year on bottled water. America is now drinking more bottled water than milk or beer. Dang, boy! That's a bottle of water and a whiskey. Americans buy nearly 15 billion gallons of bottled water per year, and that's a lot of water. Bottled water costs 1,000 times more than tap water. Wow. Transporting the empty bottles to their filling destination uses energy and releases harmful emissions. Bottled water production uses up to 2,000 times more energy than tap water production. People love the convenience of bottled water, but maybe if they realized the problems it causes, they would try drinking from a glass at home or carrying water in a refillable steel container instead of plastic. Plastic bottle recycling can help. Instead of going out with the trash, plastic bottles can be turned into items like carpeting or cozy fleece clothing. Unfortunately, for every 6 water bottles we use, only one makes it to the recycling bin. The rest are sent to landfills, or even worse, they end up as trash on the land or in rivers, lakes, and oceans. Plastic bottles take many hundreds of years to disintegrate. In fact, a single-use plastic bottle takes around 450 years to decompose. U.S. landfills are overflowing with 2 million tons of discarded water bottles alone. That's a lot of water bottles left to decompose, and that's a long time for all those water bottles to just sit there and just decompose for that long. Water is good for you. Keep drinking it. But think about how often you use water bottles and see if you can make a change. And yes, you can make a difference. Remember this, recycling one plastic bottle can save enough energy to power a 60-watt light bulb for 6 hours. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Adventurous Kids. Yeehaw!
What did you learn today?
Adventurous kids.
Adventurous kids.
What was the most interesting fact?
Adventurous kids.
Adventurous kids.
Adventurous